Ready, start. This affidavit is followed by another affidavit filed by the ASP, Bastar on 22/1/2025. Full stop. It is averred that there is a designated burial space for Christians at village Karkapal, comprised in Khasra number 9/94 at measuring 1.96 acres, and that the community has also taken over adjoining land, making the designated land as 2.15 acres, which is sufficient to cater to the need of the Christian burials, considering the population of Christians in nearby 4 villages. Full stop. That there is a demarcation report prepared in 2013 with respect to the aforesaid burial ground, showing the position of 2.15 acres in the Panchnama drawn on 31/2013 in the presence of the persons of the Christian community. Full stop. That Christians of all the 4 villages, that is Chhindwada, Munga, Tirathgarh and Darbha, are using the said land for burying the Christians of said 4 villages. Full stop. Therefore, the appellant belonging to Christian community has a designated burial place. Full stop. The appellant has also filed 2 additional affidavits. Full stop. In the additional affidavit dated 21/1/2025, the appellant has stated that the de facto situation on the ground level has been to use the land in Khasra number 725/136 in village Chhindwada as a graveyard, and all communities have used the aforesaid land as a graveyard, which had to be formally recognized by the Gram Panchayat and the collector. Full stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on a hand-drawn map of the graveyard in Khasra number 725/136 prepared by the local Patwari, as annexed to the additional affidavit. Full stop. That, earlier several Christians from Mahra caste have been buried in the village graveyard, which has been earmarked partly for the Christians. Full stop. Photographs along with the coordinates indicating the latitude and longitude of the graves and affidavits of the persons who have buried the dead members of their families in the said graveyard have been annexed to the additional affidavit. Full stop. In support of the said material, another additional affidavit dated 22/1/2025 has been filed to counter what has been stated in paragraph 8 of the counter affidavit of the state. Full stop. It is stated that no Christian in the neighboring villages, that is Darbha, Mamadpal and Karka, has ever buried their deceased in the village Karkapal. Full stop. It is also stated that in Chhindwada or the aforesaid surrounding villages, no Christian has ever taken the body of their dead outside the village for burial. Full stop. Learned senior counsel, Sri Gon Slaves, appearing for the appellant, argued that the High Court has gravely erred by finding region in potential unrest and disharmony in declining relief to the appellant. Full stop. It is the appellant's contention that unruly sentiments have transformed appellant's deceased father's last rites into a contentious issue, where none could possibly exist, as the family has been burying their dead at the same location for generations. Full stop. It was emphasized that in the native village of the appellant, Chhindwada, there are separate graveyards for tribals and the Mahra caste, and within the graveyard for Mahra caste there exists a separate area for burial/cremation of persons belonging to Hindu religion and the Christian community. Full stop.